Hi there, in this video, let's talk about one of the simplest, but most important, parts of your resume, the header. That section right at the top that includes your name, contact info, and maybe a job title or portfolio link. It may look small, but it plays a huge role in whether your resume gets read or ignored. Why does it matter? Because it's the first thing a recruiter sees. A clean, professional header instantly gives a good impression. A messy or incomplete one might get your resume tossed aside without a second glance. So how do you make it stand out? Use clear, easy-to-read fonts. Include your phone number and a professional email. Add your LinkedIn or portfolio if relevant. Include a job title or certification if it adds value, like PMP, UX designer, etc. Final takeaway: your resume header isn't just a formality. It's the start of your personal brand and your first chance to show you're serious. Make it count, keep it simple, sharp, and easy to find. Transforming careers and data analysis with the power of AI with Magical API. www.magicalapi.com